In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the repost option in TikTok not showing. So the first thing you can do about this is go to your settings app in iPhone and then open it just like that. Go to General, iPhone Storage, and then in this one, just scroll up until you see the search bar here and search for TikTok. Rick Rock, nice. TikTok, okay. Once you see it, click on it and then click on Offload App. So just click on Offload and let's wait for it. And then once it's done, it's gonna say reinstall app. So go ahead and click reinstall app and then try it again. If it still doesn't show, then there's another thing you can do. So let's go back to TikTok. Let's open it. Oh, it's actually reinstalling. So let's just wait for it. So now once it's done reinstalling, we can finally open it. And let's see here. I'm going to open my profile at the bottom right. And then click on the top right where you see those three lines, settings and privacy. And then over here, just scroll down until you see the help center. So what you're gonna do is just chat with TikTok support and tell them that you can't find the repost option, and you can just tell them right here, and then they'll wait. You're just gonna have to wait until an actual staff member comes up and will help you solve your problem. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.